Today we are going to talk about Google Classroom. If you are not automatically added to your teacher's Google Classroom, as long as you get their class code, you can enter it and join the classroom that way. Once you click join, you'll be added to the classroom. From here, you default go to what we call the stream. The stream has different pieces of information. One thing you may see is when your teacher posts an assignment, you may see it underneath the stream. Your teacher may also leave announcements here, and you can also have the option to comment on an announcement. Whatever you post on the stream, everyone in that Google Classroom can see. At the top, you can click on classwork, and this is where you're going to find your assignments from your teacher. And typically, your teacher will put the assignments underneath a topic. The topic may be called math, or it could say week 1, or it may have specific dates. It's completely up to your teacher. Once you click on the appropriate assignment, this is where you'll see the instructions. You can also click on View Assignment. It tells you what you need to do. You have the option of adding comments here. And as it says here, you can even tag someone by adding their email or entering the @ button so a specific person can see what you say. So, if you leave a comment on the assignment like I just did, it will be shown to everyone in your class. So if you want to say something privately to your teacher, you need to type your comment over here where it says private comments. If you post it here, every single student will see it. If you post it here, it's private. Only your teacher can see it. When you have your work, you can click Add or Create. From here, you have the option of accessing your Google Drive if you have your assignment saved there. You can click a link if you have a link to somewhere else. You can upload a file directly from your computer. So let's say you made something using Microsoft Word. I could click this and upload it this way. I can also create a new Google Docs, slide, sheet, or drawing for the assignment. So if it's a written assignment, I want to click New Google Doc. Now I have this Google Doc here, and I can actually click on it and edit it. So I've got my assignment now, and the neat thing is I've already added that assignment to my Google Classroom. So I don't have to do anything else. I can sit and type all down this assignment, and it's already added there as long as I hit the Turn In button. It says turn in your work, turn in. So now I can go and edit my Google Doc, and my teacher will see what I add to it. If I change my mind, I can always click the Unsubmit button if I want to change things. Some other things, I can see the people that are in this class. Right now I can just see the teacher because that's all that's in here besides myself. And I can also go to Google Calendar from here. This will help me see what assignments are coming up due. And I can also go to my Class Drive folder if my teacher has different things shared with me. Finally, I can also go back to the Google Apps from here to go to any of the other Google Apps that I need to go to. Thank you.